He always wakes up early.
He always wakes up early.
That's enough for today.
That's enough for today.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
Do you want some tea?
Do you want some tea?
I'm very hungry right now.
I'm very hungry right now.
This road looks very busy.
This road looks very busy.
She's nervous about public speaking.
She's nervous about public speaking.
I can't sleep at night.
I can't sleep at night.
That's really hard to explain.
That's really hard to explain.
I'll bring it tomorrow.
I'll bring it tomorrow.
He's afraid of the dark.
He's afraid of the dark.
I had a wonderful time.
I had a wonderful time.
Please answer my question.
Please answer my question.
I like your confidence.
I like your confidence.
This bag is too heavy.
This bag is too heavy.
He talks very loudly.
He talks very loudly.
I can't find my phone.
I can't find my phone.
The train is too late.
The train is too late.
She writes very neatly.
She writes very neatly.
Could you explain it again?
Could you explain it again?
I'm feeling much better today.
I'm feeling much better today.
Let's meet after lunch.
Let's meet after lunch.
He plays the guitar well.
He plays the guitar well.
I'll help you with that.
I'll help you with that.
This movie is really boring.
This movie is really boring.
I forgot to bring water.
I forgot to bring water.
Can you keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret?
She is waiting for me.
She is waiting for me.
I don't believe this news.
I don't believe this news.
She's busy with her work.
She's busy with her work.
I love your new haircut.
I love your new haircut.
Could you lend me money?
Could you lend me money?
This pen doesn't work.
This pen doesn't work.
I'll explain it later.
I'll explain it later.
She studies very hard.
She studies very hard.
The food tastes delicious.
The food tastes delicious.
I'm not ready for this.
I'm not ready for this.
That's not a good idea.
That's not a good idea.
He's watching television now.
He's watching television now.
Please turn on the light.
Please turn on the light.
I really miss my home.
I really miss my home.
This jacket fits perfectly.
This jacket fits perfectly.
Don't make so much noise.
Don't make so much noise.
He does jogging every morning.
He does jogging every morning.
I can't solve this problem.
I can't solve this problem.
Let's sit in the park.
Let's sit in the park.
The room feels too cold.
The room feels too cold.
I'll walk you home.
I'll walk you home.
He is reading a storybook.
He is reading a storybook.
This answer is not correct.
This answer is not correct.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
I bought a new phone.
I bought a new phone.
She looks very tired today.
She looks very tired today.
Can you check the time?
Can you check the time?
I forgot my homework again.
I forgot my homework again.
That's my favorite restaurant.
That's my favorite restaurant.
She is always on time.
She is always on time.
Please tell me the truth.
Please tell me the truth.
I want to drink water.
I want to drink water.
The street is very quiet.
The street is very quiet.
She speaks politely with everyone.
She speaks politely with everyone.
I'm waiting for your reply.
I'm waiting for your reply.
He always helps his friends.
He always helps his friends.
Can you read this line?
Can you read this line?
He is not at home now.
He is not at home now.
Please turn off the fan.
Please turn off the fan.
I'll try my best.
I'll try my best.
She looks happy today.
She looks happy today.